Phone check. All right, the winner is going to be announced very soon. You know what? Instead of telling you very soon, let me give you the exact date. I'm going to be buying you guys one of these lights. I'm also going to be buying you guys all these ball heads you see right here, including the one in the middle. And the reason I'm getting you guys these ball heads is because their abilities are very specific. One of the ball heads can hold up to 11 pounds. I'm going to get you guys those ball heads, okay? Include it with the light. Now, I'm going to select, trip out, I'm going to select 3 winners this time around. One from TikTok, one from YouTube, and another winner from the Facebook group. The reason I'm doing this is because you guys are paying attention, and well, YouTube pays me money when you guys pay attention. But before I move forward, I'm just going to give
really quick, guys, if you're interested in buying this specific light for yourselves, for your 360 booth production, then I'm going to go ahead and leave the link in the description box below. If you guys use that affiliate link, I'll probably get anywhere from $3 to $4 if you use this link. So if you guys want to help out the channel, then go ahead and use the link. All right, bye.
I'm just going to give you some really quick instructions on how to win. All right. So everyone that's watching, whatever platform you're on right now, go ahead and comment in the box below. Just include your Instagram social media handle. I'm going to contact the winners through Instagram so then I can get your address and then I can ship these goods to you directly. Congratulations on being the winner. By the way, the winner is going to be announced on the 11th. October 11th, 2023. So that's in a few days, guys. So I hope you guys get to watch this on time. If you guys hit the notification bell, then you're probably going to get notified around this time because this video is fresh out. So that gives you guys the edge, the advantage, okay? That's all I expect from you guys, hitting the like button. And once again, going in the comment box below and attaching your social media Instagram handle so that I can reach out to you directly. But I will be announcing the winners out in public this October 11th, 2023. I wish you the best of luck, and I got some more stuff coming for you guys that's really going to help you with your production. And I'm doing this again, guys, because you're paying attention, and well, YouTube is paying me. All right, peace.